As the National Transportation Safety Board investigates the Woodmore crash, their focus is to find out what could have prevented it.
As News Channel 9's Catherine Marchand reports tonight, a former NTSB chairman says there's already one glaring omission.
Tonight, renewed calls for seatbelts on school buses after the deadly crash in Chattanooga.
Times have changed and we need to update the standards for buses.
We learned that the only buses in Hamilton County that do have seatbelts are those designated for students with special needs. Jim Hall was the chairman of the NTSB from '94 to '01. He says during his tenure and in the years after, getting seatbelts installed on all school buses has been a priority. He believes school districts put money over safety.
Whatever the cost is, it's worth it.
But there's no federal law mandating seatbelts on school buses, and the state of Tennessee doesn't require it either. Officials often cite the concept of compartmentalization as the reason. It's the idea that the closely spaced seats on the bus offer enough protection. But Hall says that's not true when a bus flips over like it did in yesterday's crash.
Children that size with very little body mass and body weight being thrown around any vehicle in any circumstance is of concern.
He's hopeful this investigation will finally produce changes nationwide. Catherine Marchand, News Channel 9.
Former Tennessee House Majority Leader Gerald McCormick, as well as State Representative Joanne Favor, say they plan to introduce legislation to require seatbelts in all school buses when the General Assembly meets